Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal for a 6-month-old baby. Starting solids is an exciting milestone, and oatmeal is a fantastic first food. We'll cover selecting the right type of oatmeal and achieving the perfect consistency. Remember, always introduce new foods one at a time to monitor for any reactions. This simple guide will help you prepare a nutritious and safe meal for your little one. Preparing baby oatmeal is quite straightforward. First, gently warm about 4 to 5 tablespoons of breast milk or formula. It should be lukewarm, not hot. Then, slowly sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of the dry, iron-fortified baby oatmeal while continuously stirring. This helps prevent lumps and ensures a smooth texture. Allow the mixture to sit for a minute or two, letting the flakes fully absorb the liquid and soften completely. Achieving the right consistency is key for a 6-month-old. The oatmeal should be thin and runny, almost like a very thin soup, making it easy for your baby to swallow without choking. If it seems too thick, simply add a little more breast milk or formula until you reach the desired texture. Conversely, if it's too watery, a tiny pinch more cereal can thicken it. Always test the temperature on your wrist before offering it to your baby. When serving, use a small, clean bowl and a soft-tipped spoon designed for babies. Offer small amounts at a time, letting your baby guide the pace. It's important to discard any uneaten oatmeal after feeding, as bacteria can grow quickly once mixed with milk or formula. For easy meal prep and storage of other baby foods, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy this special feeding time with your little one.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.